What's the meaning of chamber music? Chamber music. Chamber music.
Chamber music. Chamber music. Chamber music refers to classical music that is performed by a small group of musicians, typically between 2 and 10 performers, in an intimate setting such as a chamber or small concert hall. The ensemble often consists of string instruments, woodwinds, and occasionally piano. The music is typically complex and requires a high level of skill from the musicians, with each performer contributing to the overall sound. Chamber music is known for its unamplified, acoustic sound, and is often characterized by its intricate melodies and harmonies. It is a popular genre among both performers and audiences alike.